During the event of collision, you can request additional data from your Tesla. If assistance is needed, Tesla will send you a detailed report as well as recording of all camera angles before impact. For doing this, you need to go tesla.com and contact us page. Sign into your Tesla account. Use the drop down menu to select data privacy request. After that, specify the time range for which you would like to request your data and select submit. After some time, Tesla will verify your request and notify you by email when your data is ready. As a reminder, this process can take up to 30 days.